Hey guys, so today we're gonna be making some orange barbecue chicken. It's very easy to make, so let's get started with the recipe. Okay, so you want to wash and clean your chicken. I'm using chicken drumsticks, and then pat dry the chicken to remove any extra water on the chicken, and then we're gonna season it up. So I'm using some green seasoning on my drumsticks, and then I'm gonna use a mixture of powdered seasoning. So I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, paprika, and ground cumin. And you want to pour that mixture of dry seasoning all over the chicken, okay, on both sides. All right, so season it really well, and then if you want, you could cover that and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. All right, so I already placed my chickens in my baking sheet. I just placed some foil paper over it for easy cleanup, and I placed the wings there and I seasoned it on the baking sheet. After you let it marinate for about 1 hour, preheat your oven to 375 degrees and place the chicken into the oven to cook for about 1 hour. Okay, so I let my drumsticks cook for 1 hour, and then we're gonna take it out. So while the chicken is cooking, we're gonna make a sauce for the chicken. All right, so we're making the orange barbecue sauce, and you guys, it's so easy to make. All right, all you need is some orange marmalade and barbecue sauce. Use your favorite brand of barbecue sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's original, and I mix that with my orange marmalade. Okay, and mix it really well to combine the both of them together. And then you're gonna set that aside and wait for your chicken to be basically almost fully cooked. So the chicken don't have to be all the way cooked, but about, I would say about 90% cooked, because after I take them out, I'm going to baste it with that sauce, and I'm going to put it back to cook for 30 more minutes. All right, to finish cooking and to glaze in that delicious orange barbecue sauce. All right, and the cooking time, it also depends on what type of chicken you're using. So like if you're using chicken wings, it's going to take a little less than 1 hour. If you're using, let's say, like chicken leg quarters, it might take a little bit more. So it all depends on what part of the chicken you're baking today. So here's my drumsticks after they came out of the oven. They're basically cooked. So now I'm just taking my orange barbecue sauce, and I'm just gonna baste the chicken with that sauce. I'm using my brush to brush the chicken with it, and then I'm gonna flip it to the other side and dredge the other side also in the sauce. Okay, and after you finish adding the sauce on the chicken, you're going to put it back into the oven for 30 more minutes. All right, and once during that 30 minutes, I remove the chicken from the oven again, and I just top it with the sauce in the pan, okay, to glaze it one more time. But I just use the sauce in the pan and brush it with it, and then you put it back, let it finish the remaining time, and then you're done making this delicious, easy orange barbecue chicken. And here is the finished orange barbecue chicken drumsticks, looking so delicious. Today I served mine with some brown rice and peas and some fried plantains and avocados on the side. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you give the recipe a try. If you do, let me know in the comments down below how it turned out. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.